If you are a Bruxer, what we would recommend for you, if you are not aware that you are clenching or grinding during the daytime, more often than not you are doing it at night. We offer night guard splints where we take an impression of your teeth, and a mouth guard is form-fitted, custom fit for you. And I always explain it to patients, the bottom surface that your lower teeth will bite into, it's almost like a skating rink that you can just go to town on, and you chew on that instead of on your natural teeth.